Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use OBS to record screen and audio. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up OBS and under source select the plus icon and select this display capture option and select OK. In display you just need to click on the drop down and select the display and select the OK option. Now it's gonna capture display. Again select the plus icon and select audio input capture option and select OK. In device, select the microphone device you gonna use for recording and select OK option. And now as you can see, audio input capture is just moving up whenever I talk, then the audio is working. Now select the settings on the right under control and select the output option. Here you can have to see video settings. You can change it whatever you want. In recording path, you can change it if you want, where you want to save those videos you recorded. Default location is videos folder, and now click on OK and select the start recording option. It's gonna be start recorded, guys. As you can see, it started 4 seconds recording, and I'm gonna stop recording. Select the stop recording if you want to stop it. And now the default location is videos folder. As you can see, this one is we just recorded right now, and that's how you can record videos using OBS. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.